Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange's Confluence user provisioning products are the most successful on the Atlassian market. So, in this video, we will show you how to use OneLogin as a provider to allow SCIM provisioning in Confluence. On the Confluence dashboard, click on Settings. In Settings icon, click on Manage Apps. And click on Find New Apps. Now search SCIM in the search bar. To download the miniOrange plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Install button. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. You have successfully installed the miniOrange plugin. You can view plugin settings using any of the ways. The first way is by clicking on the plugin, and then clicking on Configure. Then either option is scroll down. Click on miniOrange User Provisioning Sync. Click on OneLogin. You can also go through the setup guide by clicking on Documentation. Select your IDP. You will get step-by-step instructions here. Now enter the app name of your choice. The SCIM base URL and bearer token creates an interrelationship between Azure AD and Confluence. You will require this credentials for the further configuration. Now click on Save Settings. Now click on Provisioning Operations. Enable all the provisioning operations to import users. Update Confluence users, import users IDP groups, enable Confluence users, and disable Confluence users. Then, click on Save Settings. Your plugin settings have been saved successfully. If you face any issue related to the plugin, you can check the Troubleshooting tab. Here, you can download the logs, as well as download support zip files. Let us check the user management in Confluence without SCIM. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, no user is added. Let us set up OneLogin SCIM configuration. Log into your OneLogin account. Click on Administration. Then click on Applications. Now click on the Add App button on the right. Search for SCIM Provisioner with SAML. Now, select SCIM Provisioner with SAML v2 Core. In the Configuration tab, click on Save button to save the application. Your SCIM Provisioner application has been saved successfully. Now click on Configuration in the left menu. Now for the SCIM base URL. Go back to the miniOrange plugin in Confluence. Click on Edit option. And copy the SCIM base URL from the plugin. And paste it in the SCIM base URL field in OneLogin. Now scroll down and for SCIM bearer token again, go back to your Confluence and copy the bearer token from the plugin and paste in OneLogin. Now, click on Enable to enable the API status. Click on Save button. The settings have been saved successfully. Now, click on Provisioning. Click on the checkbox to enable provisioning. You can create user, delete user or update user when the options are enabled. These actions are performed if the users from OneLogin gets deleted or is suspended. Click on Save button. The settings have been saved successfully. Now, navigate to Users. In Users tab, click on Provisioning State. Then, click on Approve. The user's provisioning state is changed to provisioned. Let us check the user management in Confluence with SCIM. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, the data of the OneLogin user has been synced successfully with Confluence. Let us update existing user profile in OneLogin to check the user provisioning in Confluence. Go to your OneLogin account. Navigate to Users and then, again click on Users. Now, click on the user assigned to your application. Update the first or last name of the user as shown. Then, click on Save User. the user is successfully updated. Then click on Applications. Then click on your SCIM Provisioner application. Now, navigate to Users. In Users tab, click on Provisioning State. Then, click on Approve. The user's provisioning state is changed to provisioned. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, the updated data of the OneLogin user has been synced successfully with Confluence. miniOrange provides best user provisioning. Thanks for watching.